So I have my white rice, hot sauce, my honey, coffee, sugar, dishwashing soap, then salt, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, virgin oil, and this is the most important, is the coconut oil. Go down here, I have my eggs for my omelets. Then this is chicken. I got this from Walmart, the rotisserie chicken. I cut it up to pieces. Yeah, this is my rotisserie chicken from Walmart. I just buy it. It's like $5. I cut it up to pieces. I put it in the tub. So, I mean, I have fresh chicken wherever I go. If it ends, just stop at Walmart, grab another one, cut it up, and that's it. So mostly it's just chicken, rice, vegetables, and then sometimes I use the Uncle Ben's beans. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's my microwave. I use it for storage.